guys, my name's Sophia and I've partnered with GirlsRock Makeup. So today we'll be going over how to apply lashes. I know GirlsRock offers an amazing selection of lashes. Today I'll be using the style Goddess. They're long, they're wispy, and they're just really gorgeous for competition days or days where you want like longer, more dramatic lashes. They also offer the style Iconic, which is a bit more voluminous and thick, which is another great option for stage makeup. But they also offer natural ones, which are a bit shorter and just more wearable for day-to-day use. So when you take them out of the package, they're just gonna look like this. I recommend, if you aren't gonna be using them right away, or when you're done using them, just place them back in this handy dandy little nifty container that they come in outside of the box. So like this just slides right back in and you can reuse them. It also comes with a clear cover. If you don't want them falling out, just place that clear cover on top and you're good to go. If you want to reuse your lashes more than a couple times and they start to get kind of gross around the lash band where the glue goes, you can just take a cotton swab with a bit of makeup remover and just wipe across, and then just clean them very, very gently with a soft washcloth, and then you can just reuse them over and over. Eventually you're gonna have to throw them out after like maybe 10 or 15 uses. For me, that's kind of like when they really fall apart when they're meant to be disposable, and that's why I love these super affordable lashes, because I don't need to spend a fortune on something that I'm just gonna eventually toss. So I'm just gonna take a bit of my lash glue and place that on the back of this clear container. You can use the back of your hand, a plate, really anything that you want. So once I have the glue on the back of my clear container, I'm just gonna go in with this super small, thin brush. I prefer using something super thin because that way I can just go in and paint it directly onto the lash. So I'm just gonna take the individual lash and paint right across the lash band. And then once I've painted the glue onto the actual lash, I'm just gonna grip the edge with my tweezers and let it air dry for like 10 to 15 seconds so it's tacky, but it's not completely dry. And I recommend getting a mirror that's a bit more close up, because that way you can just see what you're doing better. I'm just gonna take this lash band and place it right on top of my natural lashes and kind of just position it the way I want with the tweezers. And then I already painted the glue on my other lash, and I'm just gonna go in with my fingers this time, just to position it on my lash, and then I'm going in with my tweezers. I always recommend wearing mascara with false lashes, especially if you have blonde lashes. That's just a dead giveaway. If you want to apply the mascara before, if that's easier, you can do that. If you want to combine your real lashes and false lashes with mascara after the fact, that's totally fine too. You just have to find what works easiest for you. I personally prefer wearing a bit of mascara before and just a tad bit after at the roots, just to help combine them. Although, fair warning, wearing mascara on top of your false lashes can make them go bad a bit sooner. But if you're wearing them just for special occasions and you aren't wearing them that often, that shouldn't be that big of a deal. But if you're wearing them every single day with mascara on top, they will go bad a bit sooner So that wraps up today's Makeup Monday tutorial. Every single product used in this video is from Girls Rock. Hopefully I'll see you guys next week.